locations. Schiller Park and Bridgeview.
What's up, YouTube? It's a quick video. I'm unable to do live videos, so I guess I'm in jail for 90 days. I just want to do a quick video about the big rig build. We have a Facebook page. I know some of you are on Facebook, some are not. It's called the YouTube Big Rig Group Build. You can, if you're not in it, you can go on Facebook, look it up, and join. I'd like to I set that page up so we can, when the build starts, we can post pictures instead of doing a video. But let's keep that all I want to keep that all towards the big rig build. So your other builds that you got going on, just I just want to keep it all big rig related. Also had an issue today. Had somebody that wanted to join. I didn't know the person, and somebody apparently told them about the big rig build going on, and that person failed to let me know. Well, I got 8 people a day joining that group from China, all over the place. So I don't know if they're just joining because they see it. So if I don't know the person, or you want somebody that I'm not subscribed to, and I don't know them, please let them know that they want to get in on the build, and let one of us, me, Kenny, or Thomas, know, so we can add them, because I'm just not going to add anybody randomly just, because they want to join if I don't know them. Yeah, that's basically all I wanted. Still working on this evil car. Had to take the bracket off. I'm having a problem with the headlights. The headlights don't want to go on, so but we'll make it work. The more I look at it, the more I want to throw it in the trash, but it didn't turn out too bad. I want to thank you guys for all your kind comments on this car, even though it pushed my buttons and I lost my mojo with it. But kind of get like that when something don't go right. I should have repainted it. Maybe I would have felt a little better. But that's it. It was 70 degrees today here in Illinois. Which is, I'll take it. I rode the bike to work today. I rode the bike to work, and it was supposed to rain today, but it still hasn't rained. It still hasn't rained yet. So, I'll do it later. I got some mail. I got a mail call coming up. I got a couple shop cards coming. I'll do that in another video. This is already almost 4 minutes. So that's it. Again, if you guys if you got somebody that's on Facebook and they want to join the group, more than welcome. But please let them know to let one of us know that they're in on it. This guy just joined and started posting pictures of stuff that he had on his bench, and I'm like, I sent him a message, a messenger, and he didn't respond, so I booted him off the group. And then he got all mad because somebody had sent him, and now he don't want to join. So, and I don't want to be like that, but I'm not going to let just anybody I don't know join in. So, alright, that's all I got. You guys have a good night. I'm going to finish my light beer. That's how I stay so slim. And you guys have a good night. I'm out. Peace.